The overarching goal of the SURF program is to recruit and retain diverse and talented students into our field, so ocean sciences, earth science, atmospheric science. We have a particular emphasis on increasing diversity in our field, and by that we mean underrepresented minorities and also students who haven't had opportunities to try research before.
I'm studying chemical ecology, specifically between Selenospora tropica, which is a marine actinomycete discovered by Dr. Paul Jensen. Our goal is to isolate these actinomycetes and grow them with other bacteria on the same agar plate to discover new natural products or chemicals that could potentially be used as antibiotics, anti-cancer drugs, or some form of medicinal therapy in the future.
I've been studying the ancient paleomagnetic intensity of Cambodia during the ages of 1000 to 1500 CE. Research experience is totally different from what I've been doing at home. I came here and knew completely nothing about paleomagnetism, so it's totally new.
Here at Scripps, I am in the lab of Dr. Brian Palaniuk, and my project consists of characterizing the biome of the hot springs in Black Canyon, South Nevada.
I've been studying microbiology. I've been working in the Bowman lab, and I am working on a project where we are trying to determine whether the presence of seagrass affects the abundance of bacteria in San Diego Bay.
As a first-generation college student, it's interesting being able to speak to my family about what research is, because to them, research is completely unfamiliar. They don't know what research is. They had no idea that this world of science existed.
Not only am I able to come down here in San Diego, which is an amazing experience, but I also got to work with new people.
It gave me experience in the lab, but also how to create a poster and how to apply to grad school and how to apply to different grants and fellowships for grad school. And before this, I had completely no idea how to do any of that, so that was really helpful.
I'm so grateful that this money comes from the National Science Foundation for this, because there's students like myself who have not had any experience in research who now get to have this experience, and not only just in our home institution, but in a different university with experts in the field in beautiful labs where you learn so much in the span of 10 weeks.
After being in the SURF program, I feel very accomplished because this was actually originally my own idea, and I got to see it flourish, and this is something that I can actually now take back to my home country in the Virgin Islands and do there as well.
My advice to people that are thinking about applying to the SURF program would be definitely apply, show you're passionate and your interest for that specific research topic.
It has been a fantastic experience for me.